when you're up in outer space and searching for the greatest place where everyone's a friendly face. Astro Blast! Cosmic hangout, more tentacles or multi-snout. A smoothie shack to shout about. Astro Blast! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, here is your crew. Sputnik, Haley, Radar, Jet, Sal, and Comet. Yeah! So fly, sit, walk, or run for smoothies, friends, and lots of fun. Where you're customer number one. Astro Blast!
See the bouncy monkey. The balloons are floating.
Looks good, Jack.
Yeah.
This is going to be a great party.
Hey, Comet, where's the big surprise you kept talking about? It should be here any second now. In fact, here it is now. Yes!
Sign, please.
Thanks, Norman.
No problem. Hope it's fun, whatever it is.
Yes, we are gonna have the best party ever. Ta-da! What do you guys think?
Huh?
What is it?
Are you kidding? It's only the most amazing device ever invented. The Super Sing-Along 5000. Hi, my name is Comet. Not exactly what I'd call catchy, but you haven't heard the best part. Listen. Isn't this cool? I'm not actually singing, but everything I say comes out like a song. That's not even music. Sure it is. It's great. Who else wants to try?
I do. Doesn't matter how old I am.
So who's next?
I want to go. Booty catter, booty catter, booty catter, booty catter, booty catter, booty catter, booty catter.
So who's next? Radar? Sputnik?
No, I can't. Radar, you go first.
Are you kidding? I'm not doing that.
Come on, Radar. It's fun.
But you guys aren't even really singing. The machine is doing all the work. It's still really cool. Give it a try.
Just listen, Radar. Everything's a good day, and listen to me sing.
So how does this thing work anyway? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, that's not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad.
Woo! Great, Radar. Could I try it now?
Hold on, I need more practice. I'm singing, even though I'm not really singing, and I sound really, really good. Yes, I do. I can sing anything, even soothing names, like Porgy and Plum, oh yeah, Mango, Tango, Go-Go, and Pineapple Poo. Zing?
Okay, who turned off the Super Sing-Along 5000? Sputnik?
Hello? That's funny. Testing. Hello?
Radar, we're supposed to take turns.
Sputnik hasn't even had her chance yet.
Well, that's okay. I can try it at the party. And we still have to prepare the food before our guests come.
Okay, then back to work. And I'm glad you all like the Super Sing-Along 5000.
Put some strawberry cups.
I'll take these napkins out.
Radar, what are you doing?
Nothing. Just, testing the Super Sing-Along. Making sure it still works. And it does. Phew, right?
If there's time after we finish setting up, then maybe we could all have another turn.
Of course. Definitely.
Super Sing-Along 5000?
Of course.
Hi, I'm Sputnik.
Oh, yes, she is.
And I'm really about the fantastic stuff.
Yes, she does. Yes, she does.
And all of my friends
Like me, I'm her friend. Just me, I'm Radar, and I'm really good at singing. Just listen to me sing.
Hey, that's no fair. We have to take turns.
But you're doing it the wrong way.
But Radar, there is no wrong way.
That's the whole point of the Super Sing-Along 5000. It makes it fun for everyone. But some of us are better at this, like me.
But don't you want to share?
Of
Of course. I will clean them up on the floor. I'll be right back. Oh.
What? You almost lost your mop butt.
Oh, thanks, Sal.
Looks like you're having a tough time concentrating on your job.
I guess. All I can think about is Comet's new Super Sing-Along 5000.
Those are great. Everyone's going to have so much fun playing with it.
But it's no fair. Nobody else can do it as well as I can, and I'm gonna have to sit and watch until it's my turn.
Well, as my Gam Gam always says, it's always better to share the microphone than to keep it for yourself. See you at the party.
Huh. What's he talking about?
This one.
Well, the food looks delicious, the place looks great, but where are our guests?
Yeah, and where's Radar? Hey, and where's the Super Sing-Along 5000? It was just here a second ago.
We can't have a sing-along party without it. We better find it fast.
Do you hear that? It's the Super Sing-Along 5000.
Come on. I think I know where it's coming from.
Hurry!
I think it's coming from this way.
Hey, and look! There's another. And another.
The people are finally here.
Come on.
Oh my God! The people are very wood. Except for Hunterfum.
Nobody looks like they're having a good time. I wonder why.
I love a party. Don't you love a party? That's why I'm having this party. Yeah. Radar, what are you doing? I was thinking about it, and I figured, why not host the party myself? That way everyone can listen, and they can share listening to me sing. And what could be more fun than that?
But Radar, this machine isn't just for you. It's for everyone else here too.
Oh, sounds like a new song is starting. Gotta go.
That's not fair. Well, what can we do?
Well, if we can't sing, we can always dance. Come on, let's get this party started.
Hey, everybody. This is a dance I call the Astro Octo Boogie. 1 and 2 to the left. 1 and 2 to the right. Kick front, kick back, and turn around.
My turn. Look at me. Okay, Sputnik, your turn. What about me? It's no fun being all alone. Maybe that's why it's good to share. Do you want to try this? If you want, I can share it with you. you say comes out as a song. Back when I was a young Honda frog.
Not really sure I understand the whole point of this thing.
God, we really liked it. Thanks for sharing the Super Sing-Along 5000, Radar. Everyone's having a great time. Yeah, I guess they are. I'm sorry I didn't let anyone else have a turn.
That's okay. Because isn't everything more fun when you share?
Oh, so that's what Sal meant when he said it's better to share the mic than to keep it to yourself. So, who wants to go next? Haley?
I think it's Ratnik's turn. I think it's Jet's turn.
I think it's Haley's turn. I think it's Radar's turn. Just kidding.